Hi everyone, so today we will learn how you can download and install LM Studio on your Windows operating system. I'm on the Google's homepage and here I need to type LM Studio. It will be the first website, so simply click here. Here you will find the download link like I got here. Simply click on the download link, download for Windows. The current version is 0.4.2. Let's save the installation file in this folder. As you can see, the installation is done. Simply click on this. Click on I agree. You can pick this option if you want to make it available for all the users on your operating system. In my case, I will go with the admin. Simply click next. You can pick the folder of your choice, but I'll keep it as it is. Now the installation is done. Simply click on finish and it will launch the LM Studio. You'll get this sort of interface. Now the first step here is to download and install a model. For that, we need to go to this icon, model search. And here we'll search for Gemma. So you can see these are the models by the Google, and on the right hand side we are getting download options. So depending upon your operating system, you can pick the right model here. For example, it is suggesting me to go with this one depending upon the system that I have right now. So the size for this model will be 4.24 gigabytes, and this one is too large for my system. And one thing that you should be aware of, lower the size, lower the quality, higher the size, better the quality. And if you can afford, if your system is compatible for this, you should go for Q8 always, the bigger one. In my case, I'll go with the smaller one, which is 1B. So size for this is around 720 megabytes, which is less than 1 GB. And I think I can go for it. Generally, you will see this kind of a like button here, and it will suggest you that based on your hardware, this option is recommended. So in my case, I'll go with this. Simply click on download. As you can see, the download is done. And one more thing which I want to tell you, if you want to pick a different model, you can definitely do so. You can definitely go with DeepSeek if you want to. For example, search for Deep or DeepSeek and you'll get this option. Then here in the download options, you can pick the model of your choice. Okay, so in my case, I have downloaded Gemma. So let's use this. Simply close this window now. Now simply click on the new chat. And you can see it is asking me to load a model. Simply click here and pick Gemma 3. So it is loading the model. Also, you can see on the right hand side, I am getting this system prompt. If you are not getting this, you may be having this sort of a layout. Simply click here and it might be like this. So you need to click here and it will pop up like this. Now here you can assign it a role or whatever your custom prompt is. In my case, I'll put explain like I am 5. Now you can ask whatever question you want to ask. So I'll ask it explain solar system, or you can put what is solar system here. Press enter. So you can see it is using Gemma model and it will explain you solar system like you're 5. And that's how it actually works. There are various other options in this LM Studio. If you want to know the hardware, simply click here on the app settings icon, basically a cog icon here at the bottom left. You'll get this sort of pop-up, and here you can go with the hardware. So this is the hardware that I'm using right now. I'm using i3, the RAM is around 12 GB and VRAM is almost 0 GB. In case you are using some graphic card by the NVIDIA, you will get a toggle button here that you can enable for the faster speed. So I hope you understood how to download and install LM Studio and how you can chat with it. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.